Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to install Wget and curl on your Ubuntu server. Before we get started, the first thing you want to do is check whether your server is powered on. Simply log into your Cloud Dashboard and navigate to the overview page of your server. There, you'll see the power status. If your server is not powered on, you can turn it on by clicking the power button on the page. Once your server is up and running, click on the console to access the terminal. The console will allow you to interact with your server directly and run the necessary commands. First, log into your console using your credentials. Once your server is up and running, click on the console to access the terminal. The console will allow you to interact with your server directly and run the necessary commands. Now, to install Wget, type the following command: apt install get. This will download and install Wget on your system. Next, to install curl, use the following command: apt install curl. Once both commands are completed successfully, you will have Wget and curl installed on your Ubuntu server, ready to use. And that's it. You've just installed Wget and curl on your server. Now that Wget and curl are installed, you can start using them to easily download files from the web or interact with web services directly from your terminal. Wget is great for downloading files, including websites, while curl is excellent for making API calls, sending data, or retrieving web pages. For example, with Wget, you can download a file using get in any URL. And with curl, you can fetch the content of a web page like this. Curl and provide any URL. These tools are extremely powerful for automation and server management tasks. Remember, both are commonly used for scripting and can save you a lot of time when working with remote servers or APIs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.